Hey guys, so today I've got a 2016 Volvo S60. It's got that tire pressure low light on. The light's still on even after checking the tire pressure, so I'm going to show you how to reset or recalibrate the system after the tire pressure has been checked. So no special tools are needed. We're going to use this button's right over here on this display over here. So first thing we're going to do is when you press the menu button, you'll be at this menu right here. Go in my car, press enter one more time on my S60, go down to tire monitors, press the OK button one more time. It's going to ask you press OK after the tire pressure is all pressure have been checked and adjusted. Press OK and the calibration has started. You can see right over here the tire pressure light is gone. And once you drive it outside for like a couple of minutes, it's going to recalibrate everything, and if there's a problem, the light will come back on, like if you have a leak in the tire or one of the tire pressure sensors are faulty. But if everything is good, there's no leaks and the sensors are doing what they're supposed to do, the light will not come back on. So hopefully this helps. No special tools are needed, very easy to do. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.